Let me share with you the essence of Buddhism in a simple manner so that all may understand. At the heart of our teachings lie the Four Noble Truths and the Noble Eightfold Path. Firstly, consider the Four Noble Truths. The truth of suffering, dukkha. Life inherently contains suffering and dissatisfaction. Birth, aging, illness, and death, all of these are forms of suffering. Even the pleasant experiences we have are impermanent and ultimately lead to dissatisfaction. The truth of the cause of suffering, samudaya. Suffering arises from craving and attachment. It is our desires, our clinging to things, people, or experiences that lead to suffering. When we crave for things to be a certain way, we set ourselves up for disappointment. The truth of the cessation of suffering, nirodha. The good news is that suffering can cease. By letting go of craving and attachment, we can find liberation from suffering. This is the state of nirvana, where one experiences true peace and contentment. The truth of the path to the cessation of suffering, magga. To reach the cessation of suffering, we follow the Noble Eightfold Path. This path consists of 8 practices that guide us towards wisdom, ethical conduct, and mental discipline.